Geometry School. Today we'll be doing Sankalp series for English. As you all know, it's Tuesday, so it's our English turn. Okay. This is your timetable, students. Please note this timetable. Okay. Please note this timetable, because if you want to prepare well for your exams, you have to follow this timetable. The series is provided to you free of cost, so each and every student can attend it. Okay, it's just you need your 10 to 15 minutes out from your daily timetable in order to watch the videos. Okay, students who have not joined our live classes yet, please do join the live classes so that you people can prepare well for the upcoming exams. Okay, you can call on the numbers which you can see on the screen. Also, the link of the website is also there. You can also download the app from the Play Store in order to attend quizzes and many more items. A very good news for students who are preparing for RIMC. The students who will be going to appear for RIMC 2022, Geometry School has started Foundation Batch 2.0 for for enhancing your preparation. So if you people are really interested in joining the batch, please do join it. The classes are running, so you have to hurry up. Okay, students, today we'll be doing Sankalp series English part 8. Okay, this will be part 8 of what you have to do. Just have attention at the question. Okay, pay attention here. Choose the word which is opposite in meaning of the word in colored letters. What is the first sentence? After a day's toil, he was feeling the fatigue. What is this word pronounced as? This word is pronounced as fatigue. Okay. Now what is the meaning? Please tell me the meaning. Please tell me the meaning of this word, students. The meaning of fatigue is extremely tired. Extremely tired. This is what fatigue is. So what will be its opposite? We have to find the opposite word. What is the opposite of this? The opposite is tired less. Okay, what is the opposite? The opposite is tired less. Next sentence. What is the meaning of this sentence? One usually feels languid on summer noons. One usually feels languid on summer noons. What is the meaning of languid? Can somebody tell me the meaning of languid here? The meaning of languid is relaxed and peaceful. Relaxed and we need to opposite of languid is brisk. Brisk means energetic. What is the meaning of brisk? Energetic. It laziness. Lazy. Okay. So what is the meaning of brisk here? The meaning of brisk is energetic, which is opposite of languid. Okay. Next we have is zealous. He is zealous only in the initial stages of the project. He is zealous only in the initial stages of the project. What is the meaning of zealous? Zealous means enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. This is what the meaning of zealous is. So what will be the opposite of zealous? The opposite will be indifferent. The opposite is different. Okay. Next, you are advised not to dissipate your energy on impractical schemes. You are advised not to dissipate your energy on impractical schemes. What is the meaning of dissipate? After reading the sentence, you can easily understand. Right? What is the meaning of dissipate? Dissipate means waste. What is the meaning of dissipate? Means waste. So what will be the opposite? Utilize. What is the opposite? Utilize. Okay. Okay, students, a very good news for all of you. If you people are finding it difficult to take online classes, Geometry School has started offline classes through hostel facilities. The hostel is open for both boys and girls. Anyone can enroll in this. You will be having a perfect classroom set, a perfect computer lab, and your dormitory where you people can sleep. In order to know more details, the contact number is given here. Also, the website link is there. The best part of the hostel facility is that you need not to pay the money in lump sum, but what we are charging is you have to pay rupees 10,000 per month. Okay, this is the cost. This is what you have to pay for your stay and your preparation. In this 10,000 you will be getting everything. So do visit our hostel campus. It is in village Kirthal, Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh. Do join it. In order to know more details, please contact the number which you can see on the screen. Once again, I would like to remind the students who are preparing for RIMC, RMS and Sainik School exam. If you have not joined the live classes yet, please do join them. You can contact on the numbers which you people are seeing on the screen. Also, the website link is shared here. Please do call and just enroll yourself right now for enhancing your preparation. Talking about the next sentence. What is the next sentence? Please answer everybody. Again, you have to give the opposite of. Genuine jewelry is available only in this shop. What is the sentence? Genuine jewelry is available only in this shop. What is the meaning of genuine? What is the meaning of genuine? The meaning of genuine is real. The meaning of genuine is real. So what will be the opposite? The opposite is duplicate. The opposite is duplicate. Okay. Next. The speaker recalled the deceased leader's benevolent deeds. The speaker recalled the deceased leader's benevolent deeds. What is the meaning of benevolent? Can somebody tell me? Kindly. Meaning of benevolent is kindly. Okay? Or kind. So, the speaker recalled the deceased leader's benevolent deeds. Meaning is kindly or kind. So, what will be the opposite? It's clearly given in the options. Unkind. Unkind will be the opposite of this word. The speaker recalled the deceased leader's benevolent deeds. What is the meaning of benevolent here? Kindly or kind. And what is the opposite? That means unkind. Students, I will be providing you 20 sentences, and with the help of these 20 sentences, you people will be able to learn the meanings of 20 words. Okay? Because in each sentence, you people are learning meanings of 2 words. So here, you people will be going to learn 10 meanings and 10 synonyms and antonyms. Basically, the antonyms. Okay? So please pay attention, study it very well, study with your concentration, so that you can remember the things easily. Moving on to the next. I was deeply affected by his urbane behavior. I was deeply affected by his urbane behavior. What is the meaning of this? Meaning of urbane is? Please tell me somebody what is the meaning of urbane. Who will tell me? Please comment the answers below. Yes. The meaning of this question is C. O. You are courteous. And okay. So what is the opposite? Opposite is rude. Opposite is rude. Okay. Next, all the employees of the organization want a lenient officer. All the employees of the organization want a lenient officer. What is the meaning of lenient? What is the meaning of lenient? Lenient means easygoing. So what will be the opposite? Please tell me the opposite of lenient. Strict will be the opposite. One who is not strict is all that. One who is not strict. Okay. Moving on to the next sentence. Try to answer this question. The judge thought that the offence was deliberate. The judge thought that the offence was deliberate. What is the meaning of deliberate here? Deliberate is used for the word which is used intentionally. What is the meaning of deliberate here? Deliberate means intentionally. Intentionally, okay? And deliberate means intentionally. So what is the opposite of this word? The opposite is unintentional. What is the opposite? Opposite is unintentional, okay? Next, again you have to choose the opposite. What is the meaning of superficial? The speaker had superficial knowledge of the subject. What is the meaning of superficial here? Superficial means unreal. Superficial means unreal or not. Right? So what will be the opposite? The opposite will be, see in the option, it's labeled, the opposite is D. Right? Okay students, if you people have not enrolled yourself or if you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe Geometry School channel and hit this bell icon to receive all the important notifications related to exam and all the videos that are uploaded on the website. Do hit this icon because with the help of this you people will receive only the important notifications. Okay. So again I am telling you, if you have not subscribed, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon in order to get the most important and relevant information. Till then, thank you for watching the students. I'll be coming up in the next class with the next video. Till then, keep enjoying and enjoy yourself and keep learning. Thank you everyone and bye-bye.